Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add terms and conditions to your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add terms and conditions to your SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing ads, you know, a lot of platforms require you to have a privacy policy and also terms and conditions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is not a tutorial on how to create terms and conditions since it's a legal document. So you can talk to an attorney about it, or you can go through ChatGPT, but this is assuming that you already have your terms and conditions written out. Once you have that, what you want to do is come into your SamCart and then hover over. On the top left, you want to click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, you'll see these various options, but I usually choose this one, Landing Page. Next, you want to go ahead and name your page. So let's go ahead and name it as Terms and Conditions Anthony. Okay, so here is the URL. So you want to take note of this because you're going to need this later to install your terms and conditions. So click on Create Page. Okay, once you do that, it's going to load up a lot of different templates. But since it's just a terms and conditions, you want to click your blank template. Once you've done that, you want to click here on the top right, click to start editing. Okay, now you're in the page editor. So what I'm normally going to do is here on this right here, H1, it's automatically loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in terms and conditions. Okay, then I'm going to hover underneath the H1 and you're going to see this kind of like blue dash. Did you see that? Click on it and it's going to open up another plus icon. Click on there. Okay, next you want to scroll down until you see H2 or H3. I'm going to go ahead and use H3. Okay, now you see this opens up and you want to go ahead and paste in your terms and conditions here. So paste in your terms and conditions here. Here is my terms and conditions. Okay, you can see it starts filling out. So basically it's going to be a long document. Once you pasted it in, click on Publish here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. It could take up to 2 minutes. So click on Publish Page. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now the page has been published. So you want to click on See Live Page. Okay, once you do that, you're going to grab the URL right here. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, we're in SamCart, so let me close this out. So terms and conditions is pretty cool because SamCart allows you to install it in one location and then it goes global. So it's going to apply to all of your subdomains under the URL you're working in. And how you do that is here on the left, hover over this blue menu and click on Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left and you want to click on Branding. Once you click on Branding, you'll see this menu here and look to the bottom. You're going to see this button here, Terms and Conditions. Once you open that up, it's going to let you paste in a URL. So we're going to paste in the URL we just created. Okay, next what you're going to do is click on Save Changes here on the top right. Okay, now it says Branding Settings Successfully Updated. Okay, we're going to click on Products. Once we click on products, we're going to see everything we're selling. So I'm going to choose this product right here. Okay, open up this product. Let me go ahead and click on Design and Share, and let's go on Preview. Okay, so here is one of the products I'm selling. And if we scroll down to the payment section, you can see right here, terms and conditions have been added right here underneath the pay button. And if we click on there, it can open up the terms and conditions that we set up right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add terms and conditions to your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.